What would you like to buy? Bullock cart or car?
Car, obviously.
Phone with keypad or smartphone?
Obviously smartphone.
Normal TV or smart LED TV?
Smart TV, obviously.
Then why not choose a smarter investment option for tax saving also? Invest in Equity Linked Saving Scheme. It gives you a dual benefit of tax saving and wealth creation too. Compared to other tax saving investment options eligible under Section 80C like PPF, NSC, tax saving FD and post office time deposit, ELSS is a smarter option. Because ELSS has a shortest lock-in period of 3 years only, and it also has an ability to create a better wealth. You can also invest in ELSS through SIP and also get the benefit of rupee cost averaging. Choose ELSS as your smarter way to save tax and create wealth. Invest rupees 1.5 lakhs in ELSS today and save tax up to rupees 46,800. For saving tax and creating wealth for retirement, ELSS is an ideal choice. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.